Welcome to a world where legal fictions shape fortunes and corporate veils conceal profound truths. Tonight, we embark on a critical journey to unmask the foundational doctrines every legal professional, student, director, and investor must master for compliance and strategic success. This isn't just theory, it's the bedrock of corporate governance, crucial for risk management and informed decision-making. Fade into a grand ballroom in London, filled with sharply dressed lawyers and corporate service providers from the UK, Cyprus, and Commonwealth countries. At the center, a mysterious figure, the company dances alone, surrounded by interested parties. Spotlights focus on the company as it steps forward, donning a mask labeled Limited. This moment signifies its legal genesis. Senior counsel, Ms. Patel. When a company is incorporated, it is born as a separate legal personality. This means it stands apart from its founders, shareholders, and directors. It can own property, make contracts, and be sued in its own name, just like an individual. This distinct legal status is fundamental for business operations and liability management. It's a cornerstone for understanding corporate responsibility and asset protection. The company glides gracefully, its mask shining in the spotlight. This visual metaphor represents a critical legal shield. Ms. Patel, the veil of incorporation is the invisible shield separating the company from those who control it. It protects shareholders and directors from personal liability, meaning creditors pursue the company, not the individuals behind the mask. This principle is vital for encouraging investment and entrepreneurship, offering a layer of personal financial security. Suddenly, the music turns ominous. A regulator and a judge approach, eyeing the company suspiciously. The protective veil is not absolute. Cypriot advocate, Mr. Ioannou, but beware, the law allows the veil to be lifted or pierced in cases of fraud, sham, or evasion of legal duties. If the company is merely a facade for wrongdoing, courts can see through the mask and hold the real actors personally liable. This doctrine ensures justice prevails, preventing abuse of corporate structures for illicit gains. The company, excited, tries to start a business far outside its stated purposes. The crowd whispers, recognizing a potential legal misstep. UK barrister, Ms. Clark Ultra Vires, Latin for, beyond the powers. A company must act within its stated objects as defined in its constitution. Actions exceeding these powers can be challenged, ensuring the company adheres to its original mandate and purpose. This protects stakeholders by limiting the scope of corporate activities. The company checks a rulebook before signing a new contract, demonstrating due diligence. Understanding these limits is crucial for compliance. Ms. Clark, the capacity of company is defined by its constitution and the law. Only actions within its capacity are legally valid. Directors and service providers must always verify what the company is legally allowed to do to avoid invalid transactions. Spotlight on a group of faceless figures labeled corporate directors. Security guards step forward and block several from entering. This reflects recent regulatory shifts. Mr. Ioannou, recent rules add a new twist: corporate director restrictions. Now, companies can only have a corporate director if at least one director is a real, natural person. The days of faceless, puppet-controlled boards are ending, ushering in greater transparency and accountability. This enhances governance and reduces anonymity in corporate leadership. The music swells. The company removes its mask, revealing a confident, transparent face. This signifies clarity and adherence to legal principles. Narrator, voiceover. Whether in London, Nicosia, or the heart of the Commonwealth, these doctrines shape the world of business. They are not just academic concepts, they are practical tools for compliance, risk mitigation, and ethical leadership. Master these fundamental corporate law principles to navigate the complex business landscape with confidence. For students, this is your foundation; for lawyers, your daily toolkit; for directors and managers, your guide to ethical governance; and for investors, your shield against risk. Apply this knowledge to ensure compliance, protect your interests, and build a transparent, accountable future for your organization.